Delight yourself in the Lord, and he will give you the desires of your heart. Psalm 37 verses 4. Hello beautiful family, most welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. Thank you so much for coming back. So family, we're going all the way to the central part of Ghana. Today we'll be making one of my absolute favorite food items to have in the house, which is Fante Kenkey, Fante Dokun I. I love the versatility of this. If you have this at home, you can whip your dinner, lunch, brunch, just name it. It is so easy to work with. So please stay tuned while we make this together. Please be sure to like this video as it really helps the channel grow, okay? Let's get started. All you need for this recipe is just 3 ingredients. Here I have 2 kilos of fermented corn dough, and I also have a bunch of dried banana or plantain leaves and just water. That is all that you need for the ingredients. It's quite simple, but you really need to follow the recipe vividly to catch everything right, okay? So I am going to divide my corn dough into 3 sections, all right? I will be using my 1 section of the corn dough to prepare my aflata, and all that you have to add here is water, okay? So this is how you measure the quantity of water you need to mix your corn dough with. The same container that you use to measure your corn dough, you fill it up with water twice. Just make it this way: 1 cup of corn dough, you add 2 cups of water, okay? And this is the exact perfect consistency that you need to have. Mixing it with your hands also help you locate wherever the lumps is, and you just break through it, all right? Make sure it's absolutely lump free. Go ahead and put it on fire. Stir until it develops this thick banku-like consistency, all right? Make sure you stir very well. You do not want to have any lumps at all in your aflata, okay? That is an absolute no. And also, the traditional way, you do not add any salt to it, all right? That is how it is originally done. But of course, if you love to have a little bit of salt or seasoning here, you're free to do so, okay? I just stick with the traditional way of making this, all right? Look at that. After 25 minutes of cooking or making this aflata, it is ready. Once it turns this yellowish color, you know that it is ready, all right? And because we double the amount of water, you don't even have to add any more water to this, okay? This is where we add the other 2 sections of the corn dough that we saved previously. It's where you make sure that everything is well uniform, and this is exactly what you should be doing. Make sure you stir everything well together, okay? It needs a little bit of patience, all right? So if you feel like you don't want to use the traditional way and it's quite tasky for you, please use your standard mixture, okay? It works very well as well. Let's look at how soft this came out. Exactly how it should feel and look like, because otherwise it's going to affect the end product. You want to have your kenkey super soft and silky. Now is the time for us to wrap it. Oh my goodness, this is where a lot of us will be singing Holy Spirit activate. Found the wrapping part can be very tedious and annoying. I know that for sure. And please take note that all the leaves have been washed thoroughly before you can use this, okay? So I need 1 large size and another medium size, which has been folded into a square shape like this, and another medium size, which I will be scooping my kenkey on top like so. After I've taken or scooped the amount of kenkey that I need, I'll just go ahead and wrap it nicely like this. Okay, learned this on Instagram on a lady's page called Chef's Lifestyle. I think her mom showed this and it's really, really fantastic. Okay, so the second or third step that you need to take here is to fold the edges of the plantain leaves and just fold it and wrap it like this as seen on your screen. Just continue to fold it nicely until everything has been wrapped around your beautiful and nice kenkey. So all that you have to do to the remaining or the leftover leaf on top is just to tack in like so. All right, just as seen on your screen. It is quite a process, and yes, it is possible. Okay, just keep trying. If you do not get the first one right, don't give up. Make another one and another one and another one, and I promise you're going to get it right. What you have to do is to repeat until everything is completely done. And so, yes, family, that is all you need to do. I hope you were able to pick up the trick, and I believe in you, sis. I believe in you, bro. You can do it. If I can make it, you can make it too. Okay, so now is the time for us to steam this deliciousness. So in your pot, just add a little bit of the leaf underneath, just so that it does not stick under the bottom. You go ahead and arrange your beautiful kenkey like so, and add enough water up to the middle, and you good to go, and you go to steam this. That enough water has been added, go ahead and cover your pot with your parchment paper. You all know that I love my parchment paper because it's able to trap the heat so well. You cover it, and this is going to be steaming for 3 good hours, y'all. If you feel like it needs extra water, go ahead and add it. But really, if you have a steamer at home or pressure cooker, I think it's also going to help a lot. Okay, go ahead and be checking on it. You need to make sure that the button does not burn. Okay, so while that is steaming, I go ahead and prep my fish, because yes, we'll be frying some fish and pairing it with our 3 white peppers, of course, our shito, our green chili sauce, and our red chili salsa or sauce. Look, that is all that you need for this right here. It's so good. So yes, I hope you enjoy a little bit of the fish frying scene. So this kenkey has been steaming for the past 2 hours now. I felt like I needed to add a little bit more water. I did just that, so I have about an hour for it to get ready, and my fish also here is all done. Fish came out super crunchy, y'all. So fast forward 3 hours later. Oh my goodness. It is ready. Yeah. But the thing is, even if it's ready, you need to give it a little bit of time because it is super hot. Allow it to cool down. You don't want to also hurt yourself. And in the waiting time, you can always find something to do, like you can grind your hot pepper sauce. Oh my goodness, I made that super spicy, and that is exactly what I needed. As you can hear from my voice, I had a little bit of cold the past week, and this really cleared it all for me. It was super spicy. I have my shito also representing, and I have my green chili sauce. I have an updated version which I'll be uploading it very soon, so watch out for that, okay? And here are my fish. My 1,000 is also representing, and this is the fish that we fried earlier on. That the kenkey has been totally cooled down. It's now time for us to know if we did well or not. Oh my goodness, look how soft. Oh, and the color was just so beautiful. Just look at this. Just me, this kenkey was so soft, just the way I love it to be. Just look at that. Saving this up to a year is possible, okay? Save it in your freezer up to a year and you can still enjoy it. That is what I even love to make my mashed kenkey out of, okay? It is absolutely delicious. Yes, there you have it, family. I really hope you enjoyed the whole process. I am super thankful that you made it all the way to the end, and if you did enjoy it, please do not forget to give me a like, share to a few friends and family, and also if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please be sure to come on board, subscribe, and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.